So I guess maybe if nothing else, first I'll start off with showing how to put the bobbin in. Obviously you put it in there, and like I said, the very first right here, very first groove goes there. There's another groove right here, goes there. Came out of the first groove, but it isn't so easy to thread the bobbin, but a little bit of patience. There it is. Really, I don't know what else to do. That's what I've seen. After that, it works. That's how to thread the bobbin. Now let me see if I can show how to thread the machine. So I got my thread, put it right there. I come right here. Here's number 1. Put it through that. Then I come around and come from right to left. There are 2 discs here, the chrome looking ones. And then come up. And there's this, I can't think of the name. They come all the way around, and then here's that springy thing. Come down. See, come down and up this way. This needs to be at its highest point, so I'll turn the wheel. There it is. Okay, then I need to thread. Put the thread through that hole. Yeah, there's a lot of steps. It takes a while to get good at it. So there, it's at its highest. And then, if you can see over here, it needs to go through here. Mine probably needs to be adjusted because I need to do it that way. Let me pause it. Actually, let me just adjust my made in China tripod. See if I can. And then there's this right here. You see this curved thing? Put the thread through there. And now I can thread, and I'll show it. It's from left to right. Get the presser foot out of the way. It does take a little while, but it's not so difficult. Not impossible. There it is. I raise the presser foot up again. As you can see, pull on it, pull on the thread. There it is, and go behind this way, left to right. Come out, go underneath, go back. I like to use napkins to test out my threading. Just to show that I know myself that I threaded it correctly. Turn the hand wheel. Okay. Okay, pick up the presser foot, turn my napkin. It does have a reverse. See if I can get both in. This goes all the way up. Right here, down here, you'll look. Well, okay. You get the idea. Okay, let me show you. Uh-oh. Let me show you what this looks like. Okay. Here it is. Yeah, and I'm still working on the tension. I'm having, the tension's not the best. It needs to be improved, but I threw it correctly. There it is. Just to give you a better view of the machine, there is a Singer Spartan 192k. Very nice machine, very powerful motor. And also showing